Good evening, everybody, and once again, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to compile jar files for a specific Hudi version in a Dockerized, containerized environment. So that means you do not have to worry whether you're using a Windows or a Mac. You do not have to worry about you're using this Java version or that Java version or whatever Maven version, right? It's OS independent and will work flawlessly for everybody. So allow me to share the approach. Before that, I just want to take a moment and thanks Gatsby for his blog. I have taken some of the snippets from his blog, and yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's learn how to compile or build a Hudi project in a containerized environment. So we'll use a Docker image called Rocky Linux. Okay, so I'm gonna say Docker run -it, which means I want to run this into the terminal mode for this particular Docker image. So I hope the font size is visible, right? I'm gonna paste this one here, and you will see I see root, which means I was able to spin that Docker image, the Linux image, and now I am into the container. Now we'll be installing the packages. So we're gonna install this over here. This could take a couple of seconds again. So let's be patient. I'm gonna pause the video. Once it's 100%, I'll resume it after that. I think it's gonna be done. It's almost done. So I'll just wait. It's fine. So yep, it's installing the necessary packages. It's done. Great, fantastic. Now we're gonna do cd into home directory on this container. Right? If I do pwd, here you can see I am inside the home directory. Now we're gonna git clone the Hudi project. So git clone, this is the repository, and now then we're gonna cd into that. So I'll do that. Now it's gonna clone the Hudi project in this particular directory. So let me pause the video. Once the cloning is complete, I'll resume it. So the repository has now been cloned. If I do pwd, here you can see I am inside that Hudi directory. So oops, let me clear it. ls, here you can see that. Okay, after that let's say I want to build Hudi version 1.0.0-beta 2. This is the latest version, and this also has functional index. So again, I want to build for this particular one. So I'll do git checkout and that particular branch name. So git branch, here you can see I am on that branch. Let me make sure git pull origin. Want to make sure I'm on that particular branch. Okay, everything is up to date. Now piece of cake, right? We're gonna set the Java home, and then we're gonna build the jar files. So I'm gonna set the Java home over here. And then guess what? Simple command over here. Maven clean package -d skip test -d spark 3.4. If you're doing for 3.5, just change this to 3.5. I want this to be built for 3.4. I'm gonna copy this, paste the command, grab some coffee, let it do its thing. Once this is completed, then I'll show you how to copy the jar file from the Docker containers into your local machine. So let me pause the video, have some coffee, and I'll be back once this is complete. All right, I'm back, and as you can see, everything looks good. Okay, now I want to show you from this particular Docker container, we need to download this jar into our laptop or machine, right? And how to do that, I would want to show you the steps. I tried to make it easy, so I just wrote this simple bash script. As you can see, all you need to do is you need to provide the Spark version for which you are building, and of course the Hudi version as well. This one, what it will do is it will go to the directory on the Docker, and it will copy those jar into your local machine, as you can see. So right now, let me delete all of these that I have in the current directory at the point, and then I can run this shell script. So let me delete that one, and let me delete this one as well. Okay, so over here, all right, so you can see that I have my bash.sh. So I'm gonna say my bash.sh. I'm gonna run this. As you can see now, it did copy those jar file into my current working directory. If I do show in finders, here you can see those jar files, right? So now you don't have to worry about the Java version. You don't have to worry about the Maven version and Windows or Mac. It will work for everybody flawlessly because it's containerized, right? So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found value in it. I'll leave the scripts and commands in the description. Now that it's done, you can just destroy the container, the Docker container. So here, come here, simply delete it. That's it, done, right? So that's all I have for the video. The instruction and steps and the code that I pasted is there on the links below. So hopefully you will find it beneficial. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.